In our increasingly digital age where technology shapes every aspect of life, data breaches are always looming. Protecting your email communications is crucial. Whether it's financial transactions or sensitive health information, developers need to secure emails. It's no longer optional, but essential. So, if you're building an app, integrating email encryption isn't just a nice-to-have, it's a must. In this guide, we'll walk through how to integrate email encryption APIs, explore the tools you'll need, and provide real-world examples so you can build more secure, compliant applications. Understanding email encryption APIs. Let's break it down. An email encryption API is a set of protocols that allows your app to encrypt, decrypt, and manage secure email communications. You don't need to reinvent the wheel by building encryption from scratch. These APIs abstract complex cryptographic tasks so you can focus on your app's core features. Types of encryption in API context. So, what types of encryption should you know about? First, there's symmetric encryption, which is super fast and great for encrypting the message content. APIs often generate a unique key for each message and securely exchange it using asymmetric encryption. Then there's asymmetric encryption. This is vital for securely exchanging keys and verifying the sender's identity. Think of public and private keys. Finally, TLS, while not encryption for content, ensures that your data travels securely between servers during transmission. This is a must for all reputable email encryption services. API endpoints and methods. Let's talk about how APIs actually work. When you interact with an API, your app will send requests to specific URLs called endpoints. Using HTTP methods like GET, POST, PUT, or DELETE, you can send encrypted emails, retrieve decryption keys, or check the status of messages. Data formats and protocols. APIs generally use JSON, that's JavaScript Object Notation. When sending and receiving requests, it's simple and lightweight. Some APIs also integrate with SMIME or PGP, which are email encryption standards, enabling your app to send emails that are compatible with services like Outlook. Popular email encryption APIs. Now, let's look at some popular APIs that help secure email communications. 1. SendGrid. Known for transactional emails, SendGrid can help you encrypt content before delivery. 2. Mailgun. A great option for developers with flexible encryption solutions, including PGP and SMIME. 3. AWS. With its robust encryption via AWS KMS, SES lets you send encrypted emails and manage your encryption keys securely. 4. ProtonMail. If privacy is your focus, ProtonMail offers end-to-end encryption, ideal for secure communications. Choosing the right API. When choosing an encryption API, think about these factors. Security features. Does it provide end-to-end encryption? Does it support key management? Ease of integration. Is the API well documented? How easy is it to authenticate and integrate? Scalability and performance. Can it handle high volumes of encrypted emails? Cost. How does the pricing scale with your usage? Integrating email encryption APIs. A step-by-step guide. Integrating these APIs is simple when you follow a step-by-step approach. First, you'll need to manage API keys securely. Don't hard-code them into your app. Use environment variables and secret management tools for better security. Next, choose an HTTP client to make your requests and format your email data as JSON. Don't forget to include the authentication token for secure access. Once everything's integrated, monitor your API responses and ensure that everything works smoothly with proper error handling. Best practices for secure integration. Beyond just integrating the API, make sure you're following best practices to fortify your app. Store API keys securely using tools like AWS Secrets Manager or Azure Key Vault. Validate API responses. Never assume everything worked. Always check for errors. Handle encryption errors. If something goes wrong, make sure you've got a fallback plan. Notify users if emails can't be encrypted and retry when possible. Troubleshooting common issues. Now, let's cover some common issues you might face. API errors. Always check the status code and error message. Rate-limiting errors can be handled with retries. Encryption failures. Missing public keys or incorrect certificates are common issues. Make sure you've got everything in place before encrypting. Compatibility. Test your emails with different clients and ensure compatibility with SMIME. Now, if you're ready to strengthen your cybersecurity skills and protect yourself online, I have a free resource for you. Download our free security checklist at telaris.com. It's packed with simple, actionable steps to help you stay safe and build your knowledge. Want more personalized help? You can request a free consultation with our cybersecurity experts. Or if you're curious how Telaris works in real time, request for a demo to see how Telaris AI agents work. Now let's get back to the business of the day. Integrating email encryption APIs is a critical step towards securing your users' communications. By choosing the right API, following best practices for integration, and troubleshooting any issues, you can ensure that your application maintains high standards of security. This isn't just about encryption, it's about building trust and compliance in an increasingly privacy-conscious world. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.